Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Pandass here, back with another video. And before we get this video started, I show you guys how to have a sick profile. I'm just gonna be going ahead and saying a couple things. I'm planning on changing my name to Hyde. Sorry for the inactivity on my channel. It's school time again. We're having snow days. I'm just not doing things normally. So I've been just out of the house, just doing random things, having schoolwork and all this. But I am going to get back into doing videos. My channel is going to be about CSGO gaming. No more Roblox anymore. We're going to go ahead and get started in this video. And I'll see you guys in the video. Peace.
Panda. I got broads in Atlanta. Just to be in the family. Credit cards and the scammers. Ain't no licks in the band. Legacies.
What's going on, guys? It's your boy Pandass here, back with another video. And before I start talking about what we're gonna be doing in this video, even though you guys see in the title, sorry, I don't have my pop filter here. I don't know where it went. It disappeared off my mic, so you know. But yeah, guys, we're gonna be showing you guys how to have a good-looking or quote-unquote professional Steam profile like this. This is my personal profile, Hyde. As you guys saw in the beginning of this video, I'm gonna be changing my name to Hyde. I have a logo right here, and I really like it. It's really cool. But I'm going to be showing you guys how to have a really cool artwork showcase and have a good description and stuff like that. So yeah, guys, let's go ahead and get started. Let's go ahead. Oh my god, dude. Let's go ahead and get into it if I can't stutter. Alright, guys. So for this first part, we're going to be going and getting your background. Now, you guys can use any single background that you have. Doesn't matter what background. What you guys are going to do, I'll have the link in the description down below for steam.design, or you guys can just Google it. It's where you can resize your images and you can make your background look nice. So what you guys are going to go and do is you're going to go and find your background on Steam. This is mine right here, as you guys see. What we're going to be doing is we're going to hit view full size. Once it's in full size, we're going to go in right here, and you guys can right click and copy or Control C depending on what you use. And you're going to go right here and Control V, or you can right click and hit paste. So then once you have this in here, what you guys are going to go and do is you're going to hit change background, and then you'll notice this comes up. This is your background. Now you guys can adjust the cropping. You can have it small like mine, or you can have it super long.
That's what she said.
So yeah, once you have that, you're gonna go ahead and hit download zip. Now you guys see over here, it's downloading the zip. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. Sorry for everything being super messy. Just gonna go to steam.design, and here is our folder. Okay, guys, you're just gonna go ahead to giphy.com for this next part, which is the cooler part. What you guys are gonna go is you're gonna hit upload. You don't have to make an account or anything. If you have an account, go ahead, you can log in. But you're gonna hit upload. I mean, not upload. What was that wrong? Yeah, that was wrong, guys. Sorry about that. You're just gonna go create. And once you're in create, you can go ahead and choose your file right here. Let's go. Not this one. That was my old one. Okay, you guys can go right here, and you're gonna get artwork middle. You're gonna open this in here. And as you see right here, you will have it. Guys, have it. This would be your name. You can have it pixelated. You have a fancy meme. You can have the animated ones, which is like sparkle, wavy, rainbow, cinematic, and the old switcheroo. Then you have typing, which is one of the cooler ones. And then you have glitch, which is the one I'm using on my profile right here. So for this, I'm gonna type in Hyde, which is my name. I'm gonna do typing for this one, and you can resize it. You can do whatever you want. You can move it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the corner right here. I'm gonna drag it up. There you go. Actually, I'm gonna do glitch. So you can have that, and you can put in other animations if you want. So like I can put in like, let's go bling. Let's put the money. Here we go. You click it one time, boom, and then there's that. It's pretty cool. I like this. It's really good. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's definitely really fun. So we have this. I click filter. That's taking forever. I'm gonna delete these. I don't know. It just doesn't make it look as good. You can change the background. I don't recommend that, but you can. So then once you have this, you can have anything you want, glitch, typing, or wavy. You're gonna hit continue to upload, and then once it's here, you don't have to click anything. Just hit upload to Giphy. It's gonna take around 50 seconds, or no, not 50 seconds, like 20 seconds, or not even, to upload. Maybe 20 seconds. Yeah. And then it's gonna come up like this, and this is your logo. I mean, not logo, whatever this. Yeah, a logo. That's good enough. So then, what you guys are gonna do to get this is you're gonna hit download. Once you're on download, you'll see one called social. You're gonna download the social. Now, there's a GIF resizer. If you want to resize it, let me see. It should be here somewhere. I can't spell somehow. Yeah, there's a GIF resizer. You can upload it here. Let's go ahead and upload it. If I can find it quickly. Again, extremely messy desktop. Here we go. We upload it. This is our GIF. And then you're gonna do 506 by 506. This is the GIF scale. You don't have to resize it, but for this video, I'm gonna resize it. You're gonna hit resize image. It's gonna pop up down here, and you're gonna hit save. I already have one for this, but you guys can just do that. Then you're gonna go to your Steam. Once you're in your Steam, you guys can go ahead and go to hover over your name, go to content. Once you're in content, you can go ahead and go do artwork, and you're gonna click once. Then you're gonna hit upload artwork. Then you're gonna go oh my god, not again specific. You're gonna name whatever you want. I'm gonna name it Hyde to Tut. Then you're gonna choose your file, which is the one we just made, which is in our case gif.com/resizer. There we go. Add description. I'm gonna name Hyde YouTube Tut, and make sure it's public. You may want to put it private just so people can't see it, but like if you put it private, you can't put it in your artwork showcase. So you're gonna have to set that public, and you're gonna certify that I created this, and you're gonna hit save and continue. It's gonna go and upload right here. I'm gonna name this for you to tut. Now once you've done this, you're gonna go ahead and go back to your profile. Now for this, you might need to get some levels. Now you need 10 levels to do this. I'm level 13 right now. You can finish this, you can do some stuff like here, but I have something to help you guys level up your account in a second that I'll get to. So you're gonna hit edit profile when you're on your profile. By the way, guys, you can add me or please send me skin. No, I'm just kidding. You don't have to do anything, guys. Once you're here, you guys are gonna scroll down to where your first showcases, and you're gonna go artwork showcase. You're gonna click in the center, and then you are going to click one of these. Now I have this one, I think is my one right now. I don't know. It's one of those, but you can do different things. Here I have one right here where it's snow and a logo at the top, and it glitches around and stuff. It's pretty cool. Now you guys can do badges and stuff. We're gonna get into this right now too. So this is your summary. I'm gonna go ahead and save changes. This is your summary right here. So this right there, this shows up right here. So as you guys can see, it says click me. If I click this, it will bring me, well, I can't trade it myself, but yeah, it'll bring me there. So this is what it says. Trade here, click me. Not accepting super overpaid trades, and I'm also not giving anything for free. Must have mobile authenticator. Must be a good trader. Only trading CSGO items. I also sell PayPal. If PayPal must go first. So to get this right here, I don't know why that's there. I'll remove that in a second. Alright, so once you're at your summary, It just tells you what you're about. So what you guys are gonna do here, I'll have a template in the description down below to do this. Well, I can show you guys. It's really easy. Let me just, I can copy it for one. Okay. Well, basically, what you guys are gonna do is you're gonna type. Let me type somewhere else. Okay. So you're gonna go up here. Well, you're gonna go inside your thing. You're gonna bracket URL =, and then you're gonna put your Steam trade link or whatever you want to send it to. Right there, right? Like, see right there. Boom, 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 boom. Then you're gonna put another bracket like that. Bracket, and then put what you want the clickable object to be called. No bracket. Trade me. Then you're gonna put. You can put click me after the end or something like that. Then you're gonna go like this. You're gonna go boom. Bracket bracket / URL bracket. Now I'll have this in the description down below, so you can do your trade link and stuff like that. But basically, what that will do is it'll make a button. So this button right here, trade here, click me. If I click it, again, it brings me to my trade offer. So it's a really cool idea. Most people use this on their profiles. Let me see if I can just find one really quick. Okay, well, he just tossed a link in there. Okay, whatever. But, like, yeah, it's pretty cool. Now, we're going to get into the level part of this video. Okay, guys, so now we're at the level part of this video. I'm going to have this bot linked in the description down below. It's one of the greatest bots, in my opinion. They're super fast. They go really quickly. So what you guys are going to do is you're going to add them as a friend, and instantly they accept and they send you messages. So they'll say they're online and hello my dear hi or whatever your name is. Thanks for coming to our level of service. Please type exclamation help for instructions to use your bot. Thanks. You guys can type exclamation help. Everything comes up here. Like literally everything. I have it right here because I'm on the Windows version. So what you guys are going to do, let's say you have 4 keys. So I can do check 4. I'll get to level 34. I'm at level 12 right now. If we go to Steam levels, this website, it's pretty good. You can put in your current level right there and your desired Steam level. Let's say your desired Steam level is 100. That's pretty high. That'll cost you 46 keys. That's a lot of keys. Let's see what you would get on here for 46 keys. 113. So in total, this thing's a really good bot. It's just like Steam levels, but in my opinion, it's way faster. It's just better in my opinion. So sadly for this video, I did bet away my skins, all of them. Yeah, sadly I lost all my skins. But what you guys are going to do is when you have a key in your inventory, you're going to do exclamation point buy, and then however many keys you want to put in your level up bot. If you do 1, yeah, well I don't have any CSGO keys right now, but it will send you a trade offer. I can show you a trade offer I got from them. As you guys can see, it's from SD level up bot, and I got a bunch of cards for 1 Spectrum 2 key. So it's really worth it. Like, it's honestly like a really good buy. I recommend it for anyone. And yeah, guys, that's pretty much going to be the end of this video. You guys can honestly understand what to do after this. You can put a bunch of other things. You can make groups. You can do badges. You can buy backgrounds. You can change your showcases to different items. I have a custom info box here that is actually really huge, but oh, there we go. Here we go. So this is my custom info box. I'm not level 20, so I can't have multiple things yet, but this is everything about me. If you guys want to add me, you must be level 3 or higher. I don't accept people with back bands. it's pretty good stuff. I recommend this for anyone that's looking to have a nice looking inventory and profile. Always come here. So yeah, guys, that's gonna be the end of this video. I hope you guys did enjoy, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.